Supervisors would coordinate our timing on site, so it's really on there. We get called in to do the job. If we do get there and there's other trades around us, we just got to work in together, communication. And normally everybody's there to get their job done, so it works out pretty well. If my workers, they arrive at site, they ask somebody who's parked in a primary spot to move, so we've got good loading position. That happens. The guys are pretty well accommodating for us, so yeah, everyone's on the same page.
We also provide a little bit extra time in each category. So if the plumber's going to be an hour, we usually allow an hour and a half or 2 hours, just to provide that we're not going to be in each other's way. Usually have a system where it's called A-class hoarding or B-class hoarding, which allows only authorised people to access the site, and which also closes off public access.
Probably the best way would be to allocate areas for people to work in and allocate zones. So if two people have to be in the same area at the same time to do work, then the best way is to give someone a certain period of time for them to go in, drop off their materials or move something, and then the next set of people to go in and do their task that they have to perform. Probably the best way to get safe access is to a site is making sure that you have clear access, that the pathways are well indicated, and if it's a problem in regards to heights, make sure you have the correct safety preventions such as barriers, etc.
Communicate with each other and eliminate crossovers and change times of deliveries or whatever needs to be talked about, and whoever's coming. I've got traffic control experience, so that is something that I look at for a safe passage for employers and pedestrians. Just keep an eye out. Everyone's got to keep an eye out for what they do, and whatever they're doing, if they're reversing a vehicle or whatever, have a spotter. Make sure there's no one behind you before they do anything.
I try and organise them so they're each working on different levels or different sections of the building, not getting in each other's way, not to try and have too many subbies at the one time on the job. Trying to have one way in, one way out. Like I said, the main thoroughfares, I try and have them clear, no rubbish, maybe like road base or leftover concrete that you can spread out, like that.
Yeah, we usually try to organize the time and try not put too many tradespeople, because we usually working for small houses is not that great. Lots different tradespeople in one time. Yeah, we try not to doing that, but they affect each other, and try to give them time slot a bit different.
Signage, identify work together. So we might work, if there's a wiki on one side, we might stay on the other side of the job. Just try and working together and coordinate it with the main people on site to make sure we do the right thing by each other. We all have to earn a living.
Scheduling and programming is the key there. We need to make sure that there's not people working on top of each other or in the same area to give everyone as much room as they can to work.